Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel for another tutorial video. In this video we're going to be going over how to convert files to PNG files. So this is going to be a quick guide on how to convert images to PNG images. For example, you have a character with a white background or any color background, and you want to make it only the character itself without the background, so you can add it to another image or another background. So yeah, we're going to be going over how to do that. Just a quick guide for you guys. So before we move on into the video, if you guys enjoy my videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also click that notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload. And let's get right on into it. So firstly, what we want to do is go to capwang.com, and the link to this website will be in the description down below. Go check it out. So first of all, what we want to do is just click get started, and I have my image right here. This is actually not a PNG file. You might think it is because of the background, but it's not. If it was a PNG file, it would only show the character. So what we want to do is just click the image and then go to erase, then click magic wand, then just click once. You can adjust the sensitivity, but for this image you don't need to do that. Go ahead and remove pixels, then click over there, remove pixels, click over there, remove pixels. And then when you're done, just go ahead and click done, and then that's it. Actually, that's pretty much it. Just go ahead and wait for it to finish uploading. Then when it's uploaded, you'll see it actually won't be this background when you first upload it. It might be white background or any other background, but if your background is not the PNG background, you can just go ahead and click the background, not the image, by the way. Just go ahead and click here and then just click the background, but it's already the PNG background. Sometimes it might be this background, so just go ahead and click the background and click the PNG background, and then just replace the image, and there you have it, an HD PNG file. Really easy to do. It only takes like 2 to 3 minutes. Now when you're done, just go ahead and click export image. Now do know there will be this small little watermark right here. If you don't want the watermark in your PNG file, just sign in, but do know that you can only do that 3 times without the watermark, even if you sign in. But you can sign into another account and then just go ahead and do like that. I mean, you're obviously not gonna do this like 1,000 times or anything. Just for a few, like sometimes only you might want to do this. But anyways, when you're done, just go ahead and click download file, and just go ahead and click that. And as you can see, it's a full PNG file. Now I haven't signed in to the Capwang, that's why the watermark is right there. Now as you can see, that photo and this photo, the difference. Oops, my bad. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, it's a quick guide on how to make PNG files. Very easy. And anyways, yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also smash that like button. And if you want to get notified whenever I upload, click that notification bell. And that's it for me. See you all in the next one. Goodbye.